Diyan lang po kayo. Magbabalik ang Countdown to 2025, the RQC TV New Year Special.
Isis! Ang hugas paste may hirang sabong puti-puti!
Nakain mo? Naku, galing paste ito.
Magsiguradong malinis sa Joy! Dahil mabisa laban sa sebo. Igaya ng paste, walang tirang puti-puti o sabon.
Mas tiwala ako sa Linis Joy.
May magic ang kamay ni Mommy. Pagkahaplos, bumubuti po ang ubo at sipon ko.
Hindi ito magic. It's Vicks Vapor Rub with eucalyptus oil that relieves cough and cold and menthol that relieves body aches and headache para sa mahimbing na tulog. Vicks Vapor Rub.
Nurture a gifted brain with Promil, the only formula with DHA and MOS Plus that helps support focus, memory, and language. Raise a gifted kid, only with Promil.
Kahit umuulan, tuloy pa rin ang pasada bukas.
Han, amoy kulog uniform mo.
Buti na lang, may Surf Fabcon Charcoal Fresh. May odor block power, kaya from sampay to suot, blooming pa rin sa bango. Blooming! Surf Fabcon Charcoal Fresh.
Dad can make dishes special with Lady's Choice, the #1 mayo, now in its new look. With best quality ingredients, 100% farm fresh eggs.
Wow! Sarap!
Special! Lady's Choice.
Nagbabago na ang katawan natin at age 50 plus. Kaya we take Centrum Silver Advance to help protect our memory, heart, immunity, and more. Mag-Centrum Silver Advance.
Ooh, baby, work's done now. Choco mucho cookie heaven now.
Time for thick chocolate sandwich between 2 chocolate cookies. A delicious reward for a day well done.
Choco mucho cookie heaven now.
Nagtiwala ako sa'yo! Umaga pa lang, amoy pawis ka na.
Mag-Tide na! Sa iba, tinatakpan lang kasi ng bango ang hindi pa talaga nalilinis. Pero sa Tide, tapos ang linis. Totoong mabango ka sa Tide.
I love styling my hair. Pero bigkas, hair fall, Pantene. Enriched with pro-vitamins to make hair strong. Iwas bigkas, ano man ang style.
New Sunsilk Anti-Dandruff. May tea tree oil to strengthen scalp against dandruff, aloe vera, and sunflower seed oil that nourish hair. A combined solution para tanggal dandruff na, balik gandang healthy hair pa. New Sunsilk Anti-Dandruff.